1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm at letter G. Okay? 72 hours is how many days? You're going to need to do what? Use your reference sheet to do what? Convert. You're going to need your reference sheet to do conversions. So, my question is 72 hours is how many days?
6.
How many hours are in one day?
24.
24. If I'm going from hours to days, am I going from big to small or small to big?
Small.
Small to big, so what do I do? Divide. I'm going to divide 72 by what? 24 to get my answer. If you get a correct answer, you cross through it. Okay? If you get the answer incorrect, you leave it blank for somebody else to do later. And the goal of this is to get 2 in a row across. Okay? So if I had G, I want to be able to roll a number that will lead me to T in this column. And since I already picked this column, let's say I roll a 7 again on my next turn. Cool, I'm at T, and I want to try to cross off this one and this one. The first person to cross off 2 next to each other wins. Question.
Oh, when we leave that station, do you want us to erase the line?
Yes, I do. Good question. Do I want you to erase the lines? Yes. And when you're lining through it, please line through lightly so you can erase. Don't, write so hard that it's not going to erase completely. Question.
But how are you going to know which one we crossed out?
Because it's the question that you mean who crossed out what? You're going to have your own paper. There are 4 papers here. You're not sharing a paper. You have your own. Yes. Question.
So we're going to do all this for the partner?
You're going to be moving with your group, but you need to find a person in your group to be your partner. If you're at table 1 with a certain partner and you've decided that you don't want to be that partner, that person's partner for the next group, when you get to the next group, pick a different partner from your group. Okay? Any other questions? When you go to computers, you're getting on Math Success Maker. Okay? Here is the rotation. I'm going to leave it up here so that you don't forget. Here are your groups. You should already know those. The rotation goes like this. If you're not starting at table 1, let's say you start at table 4, obviously you're going to go to table 5 next. Then computers. From computers, you go to table 1. Any questions? I need you to take out a sheet of scratch paper and your pencil and quietly, you don't know where you're going yet. You don't know where you're going. If you are in group 1, you are starting at table 5. If you are in group 2, you're starting at computers. Group 3, table 1. Group 4, table 2. Group 1, table 5. Go to your table.
You want to say conference?